Welcome back. Are you ready to do some arithmetic? In this video, we're going to learn about a way of doing arithmetic called adding. You probably already know what adding is. If we put two cars onto the back of a toy train, we're adding cars to the train. And when we add cars, we make the train bigger. This train has 3 cars, including the engine. After we add 2 cars at the back, it has 5 cars. Adding in arithmetic is the same as adding cars to a train. When we add numbers together, we get bigger numbers. In this video, we're going to learn how to use the bars we met in the last video to add numbers together. Let's begin by adding a light green bar to a purple bar. To do this, I put the purple bar end to end with the light green, like adding a car to the end of a train. In arithmetic, when we add 2 things together, we use the word plus. So what we have here is a light green plus a purple. Now let's find the bar that matches the light green plus the purple. Let's try a brown. No, that's too long. Let's try a dark green. Nope, too short. The black is longer than the dark green, but shorter than the brown. So let's try the black. It's just right. The black is the same as a light green plus a purple. In arithmetic, when 2 things are the same, we say that they are equal. So what these bars are saying is a light green plus a purple equals a black. Now that we know how to add bars, we know how to add numbers, because the bars are the same thing as numbers. The light green is 3, the purple is 4, and the black is 7. Speaking in bars, we just said that the light green plus the purple equals the black. So speaking in numbers, we can say 3 plus 4 equals 7. And here's how we write 3 plus 4 equals 7. That cross between the 3 and the 4 is called a plus sign. And the sign between the 4 and the 7 is called an equal sign. In school, you'll probably also see 3 plus 4 equals 7 written this way, with the 3 above the 4, a plus sign next to the 4, a line below the 4, and the 7 below the line. But these 2 ways of writing 3 plus 4 equals 7 mean exactly the same thing. We're now ready to use the bars to find the answer to a word problem. Here's the problem. If Susie is 4 years old today, how old will she be 5 years from now? This is an adding problem. We need to add some years to Susie's age today. But that's really the same thing as adding cars to a train. Susie has 4 years now, and we want to add 5 more. In numbers, the problem is 4 plus 5, and we write it like this. So we want to know how much 4 plus 5 is. We can write this as a question by adding an equal sign after the 5 and a question mark after the equal sign. The question mark means I don't know. So this says 4 plus 5 equals I don't know. Now let's use the bars to find out the answer. 4 is the purple bar and 5 is the yellow bar. What bar matches the purple plus the yellow? The brown's too short and the orange is too long. But the blue bar, like Goldilocks, is exactly the same length as the purple and the yellow, lying end to end. So speaking in bars, we say that a purple plus a yellow equals a blue. And in numbers, we say 4 plus 5 equals 9 because the black bar stands for 9. So how old will Susie be in 5 years? She'll be 9 years old. In the next video, we'll do another kind of arithmetic called subtracting. Subtracting is all about finding the difference between numbers. Using subtracting, we can solve this problem. If Sam's mom makes 10 donuts and gives 7 of them to Sam, how many donuts will be left for Sam's little brother? See you next time.